With fall here, it's time to rethink some of your family's favorite recipes. Registered dietitian Tawnie Kroll with RDTV is joining us with a few ideas to add some extraordinary to your ordinary fall flavors. Hi, Tawnie.
Hi.
This spread looks delicious. Very fall, all the nice fall colors. It looks delicious. What would be your first tip in adding some spark to family night?
First off, thank you so much. My first tip would be a healthy side dish packed with antioxidants like this maple cinnamon roasted butternut squash.
Maple cinnamon? Ooh.
Yes, but the real wow factor here is this Cobram Estate extra virgin olive oil.
Okay, ooh, look at
yeah,
that.
if you want to go ahead and
Okay, so what do we have to do?
Yeah, just drizzle a little bit on, and I want you to notice that bright, vibrant green color.
Look at that.
Cobram Estate olive oil is tree to table, kind of like that farm to table concept, and it is California olive oil certified. So you want to look for that on the label when you're buying your olive oil
certified. And wait, you know, olive oil is good for you. And I guess when you just add that, what does it do to this dish in particular?
It boosts the antioxidant level and then those healthy fats. And then actually, I wanted to tell you, just last month, I toured Cobram Estate, their orchard.
Oh, really?
I got to see
it's harvest time?
Yes, I got to see the olives being harvested on those big harvesters and then sent straight to their processing facility. So it's firsthand, I got to see that high quality.
And there's that picture right there.
Yeah, there I was. So I got to see how high quality.
Well, what makes Cobram different?
Yeah, so Cobram, when you want to look for their bottle, it's that California grown label that you want to look for, that COOC, seal of certification. That darker the color bottle, the better the olive oil.
It has a certification, that's good. And
yeah,
then,
definitely.
And then we check for milling or the harvest date. What does that mean?
Yeah, definitely. So you can, you see right here on the side of the bottle, you can check for that milling date. So you can see when it was harvested. And then when you open the bottle, they say it's best to consume it within 4 to 6 weeks.
Well, when we're talking about extra virgin olive oil, there's a lot on the market. How do you go about picking one?
Yeah, so like I just mentioned, those different, the COOC label, and then the milling date, you want to make sure it's to date. And then also what makes this olive oil different is that they use those different olive varietals that are not commonly found in other olive oil products in California.
And so you're going to, I guess you can taste the difference.
Oh yeah, and you can smell the aroma here.
Let me see that.
It kind of smells like that fresh cut grass, and it has that hint of tropical fruitiness as well.
Okay, great. So that's how we do our olive oil for the EVOO.
Yeah,
EVOO. Okay, got it.
Extra virgin olive oil. Yes.
What are some tips that you have to add that twist to some of the food we're putting on the table this fall?
So you can look for inspiration this autumn in the ocean with wild Atlantic pollock. So wild Atlantic pollock is the most certified sustainable wild fish on the planet.
Wow.
Which is pretty amazing. And it's called the cousin to cod. Have you had cod before?
No, I haven't.
Okay, so as you can see here, it's a white mild fish. It's flaky, it's light in texture, and it's very mild. And what I like to do, as you can see over here, is make those easy, simple sheet pan dinners. I have a little bit of asparagus over there, cherry tomatoes.
And you have your whole meal.
Yeah, seasoned with some salt and pepper. Pop it in the oven, and dinner is ready in minutes.
This looks amazing. Where can people go for more information to figure out how to do some of these fun things?
Yes, so you can go to CobramEstate.com, and you can also pick up a bottle there at Whole Foods.
Okay.
And then the Wild Alaskan Pollock you can also pick up at Whole Foods as well. And what's so great about this is that it has a lower carbon footprint compared to beef, pork, chicken, and it is low in cholesterol, saturated fat, and naturally high in omegas and vitamin B12.
All right, Tawnie, lots of ideas and tips on why we should try that.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.